We are at Axetris, a member of EPIC, and they make optics for the most sophisticated data transmission. Stefan, can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yes. Axetris is using a well-known technology called microlithography, reflow and etching to produce micro-optical components with a very, very high efficient coupling efficiency into fibers.
Now we're here at ECOC, but for what applications do you use this?
The main applications are, for example, in telecommunications or in data centers, where you handle a lot of data inside the data center. And the data handling is made through fibers within the data center.
What I see over here in the
Yes.
back, I can see in the videos that it's very automated machines we saw over here. Are you doing this for high volumes?
Yes, we are doing this in very high volumes. We are delivering millions of lenses per month. And also the automatization is important to get the constant highest quality with the highest throughput and lowest cost.
Have you been around for a long time, Axetris?
Yes, we are there for more than 20 years.
Okay, that's fantastic. Stefan, thank you very much for this quick overview. I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much,
EPIC
Carlos.
members really drive the photonics revolution.